Hi, my name is Masha, and I have a question for you. What do you imagine when you hear the word persistence? While you're choosing between the dozens of examples of reaching the goal regardless of the obstacles, allow me to share my understanding of persistence. And this vision is shared by numerous law students and lawyers in Ukraine. Please welcome the team of the law students of the Taras Shevchenko Kyiv National University and the Ukrainian Catholic University. These smarties won the 28th jessup Ukraine National Rounds and will represent Ukraine at the jessup International Rounds in Washington, D.C. in the end of March. Most likely, you haven't heard about jessup. To make it simple, it's the Olympic Games for lawyers. Every year, more than 700 teams from more than 100 countries register for the competition. The best teams that qualify the national selection go to Washington, D.C. and compete there for the Jessup Cup. The competition lasts for 9 months. It all starts in September when the case is released. Then, the students spend a lot of time and work hard to research the complicated international law issues, draft the arguments, and prepare the memorials. Every January, they submit 2 memorials, approximately 50 pages each. Then, they compete at the oral stage of the competition at the national level. Our teams have passed all the stages, and now we are ready for the international rounds in the end of March. But how to connect jessup, Ukrainian law students, and persistence? Unfortunately, it's very simple. Now your screen is black, and this is not a technical problem. This is a reality of drafting and researching during the blackouts caused by Russian missile attacks. Here are a couple of videos from the recent jessup Ukraine national rounds. Yes, one of the rounds was in the bomb shelter. Just listen, the air alert cannot stop the speaker from delivering the argument.
Applicants claim that this case can be brought to the court on the basis of the ergo.
In addition to all the challenges during the preparation starting from September 2023, majority of the students have been preparing for this chance to compete at jessup international rounds for years. For 2 of them, it all started in 2021 when they have first time joined the jessup summer school. 2 more students have done this jessup summer school back last summer. 6 out of 8 students have done at least one other moot court competition before coming to jessup. And 1 student was the jessup team participant back in 2022, and for the obvious reasons she was not able to join the competition. For me, this is a true example of persistence. Why do they do that? Because they're Ukrainians, and Ukrainians know that if you don't like something, you are responsible for changing that. Yes, this also comes to the system of international security and international law. What can be your role in this process? We need your financial support to make the trip to Washington, D.C. real. Here are a couple more reasons why you should do that. You invest into the future leaders with cross-border ties and expertise. You boost the legal education in Ukraine. You boost the intercultural communication, and you contribute to the sustainable development goals. And of course, you have a chance to award the persistence and make the dream come true. So, how to do it? Check the link in the description of the video or this QR code for further details. Your support will majorly be a charity act. In addition to that, jessup Ukraine National Committee and the universities will be able to provide certain promotional activities. Reach us for further details. Thank you for your attention, and we would appreciate your support.